Hey, Tyler Guest here with Jerry Harvey Audio. We're at InfoComm 2026, showcasing our custom and universal in-ear monitors. Today we're talking about the Sharona. This is our flagship earpiece. It's a 16-driver, 4-way crossover earpiece. This features a 4-pin connector and cable. This has a screw-on collar for an easy peace of mind of having to interchange your cable if you need to replace it or just change the color. It also features a variable bass attenuator at the bottom of the cable to adjust your bass response for each ear left and right. This allows you to add resistance to bring that bass response down or essentially turn it completely off. This has a quad ultra low, a quad low mid, a quad high, and a quad ultra high super tweeter for the driver configuration. This soundstage is similar to listening to your favorite PA and your favorite front of house engineer mixing your favorite show. Find it at jhaudio.com.